Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete your linked devices in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. Then click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner. Go ahead and go to linked devices. After you go there, you can see your linked devices. If you want to delete it, just go ahead and tap on the device which you want to delete. So after you click it, you can see that a notification will come if you want to unlink the device, and you will no longer be able to send or receive messages from this device. So this device will not have access and it will be signed out. So go ahead and click on unlink, and you can see the unlink has been done. So this is the way how you can delete the linked devices in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.